Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. Today I'm taking you down south to my state of Kerala. A snack which I've grown up eating. Basically, it's sweet crepes, but known by different names throughout the state of Kerala. So what we're making today is called Motta Koralappam. So that's what I've heard it named as. The other names which I recently hear are Madakkusan, Love Letter, though I don't know what the reason for that is, LNG. So many different names for the same sweet crepes. It's essentially crepes filled with a sweet coconut filling. Very easy and a snack which is popular all through the state. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon too and turn on all notifications. So the first step for making these crepes is to prepare the filling. So we'll first prepare the filling and then proceed with making the crepes. So for making the filling, let's first take some ghee. Into this, let's add some grated coconut and some sugar. We just need to cook this till the sugar melts. We don't want the coconut changing its color much. The sugar has melted and it's well incorporated with the coconut. So once you turn off the heat, just add a little bit of cardamom for flavor. The filling is ready now. So while the filling cools down, let's prepare the batter for the crepes and then we'll go ahead and make the crepes. By then, the filling would have cooled down and we can fill it in the crepes. For making the crepe batter, we need an egg, and into this goes some sugar. Whisk this first. Next goes in some milk, all-purpose flour or maida, a pinch of salt and then whisk again. So this batter is quite thick now. We need to thin it down by adding a little water. The filling is ready and the batter for the crepes is ready. So now it's time to make the crepes. I'm using the Bergner cast iron tawa for making these crepes. So once it heats up properly, making these crepes is really simple and easy and it comes out beautifully as well. See, we all know that there are health benefits of using cast iron products in our cooking. But I'm sure there's one thing which nobody realizes. These are so heavy that you actually end up doing some weightlifting as well. So I feel that's an additional advantage of using cast iron in your cooking. You don't need to brown these crepes a lot. So once the top looks dry, you can flip it over. And just cook it for a couple of seconds and your crepes are done. The crepes are ready, and while I was using this tawa, what I realized is once it got heated up properly, then I had to maintain it at a low temperature throughout. The heat was retained well and the crepes were coming out beautifully. So in between, when I felt it was sticking a little, all I did was brush a little bit of ghee on the surface and that was it. So overall, it has been a great experience making crepes on this Bergner cast iron tawa. So now we need to look at how to fill these crepes and make the Motta Koralappam. So on top of your crepe, just add a little bit of the filling and then just roll it up like this. Motta Koralappam, Madakkusan, love letter, whatever you may call it. Makes for a great evening snack. So it's traditionally served this way, rolled and filled with the coconut and sugar mixture. But then who's stopping you from drizzling a little bit of honey, chocolate sauce or caramel sauce, whatever you like on top of it, and serving it. So if you are looking to make that shift to cast iron cookware, don't forget to check out the Bergner India website, and you can always get a 10% off using my coupon code. The details are in the description box below.